Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14, replacing iPhone 14 Power IC. Let's get started. We already disassembled the layered motherboard. You are viewing microscopic view. Now we are removing Power IC from iPhone 14 motherboard through hot gun. Excessive heat will damage others' micro-components, so be careful during this operation. Now cleaning the motherboard connectors. This is our new Power IC. Installing the new Power IC. And that's it. We've successfully replaced iPhone 14 Power IC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.